Good morning everyone. I came out today because I thought to myself, surely there can't be any more rain falling from the blooming sky. So I thought I'd come out today and cook some lunch. I'll have a little perv at the birds while I'm here. Do you like my new table? It's got little legs. I thought it'd be really useful. So what have we got today? Well, we've got some leftovers. I bought the BCB Crusader system out, and I was going to put the trangier on there and just sit the pot on top. That should work beautifully. I bought my Chinese spoon out as well. These are made by Zebrahead, the same people that make the billy cans. We're all set up. What could possibly go wrong? Starting to get a bit busy here. Lovely job. I'm liking this little table. Every time I go out cooking somewhere, I end up on the ground and I haven't got any flat surfaces. So I bought this little boy and he's having a bit of a road test today. That'll speed that up a bit. I've not seen any birds yet. In with the garlic and the chilies. Although the wind's not too bad today, it's absolutely freezing. Oh. Oh, hope I haven't scratched my new table. Ooh. No, man down. Darn. I guess the piece I lost, the rats can have that.
I won't disturb you.
Oh no, you're alright. No, I haven't seen a bird yet.
A bit like our back garden, we haven't got any at the moment.
No.
We've got an aggressive sparrowhawk and an aggressive black cap that keeps...
Let's get the lid on and let them simmer away. Every time somebody comes past, they go, have you seen anything yet? It's a bit like being a fisherman, I guess. If somebody comes past, they go, you caught anything yet? I've seen one bird and he's gone off into those reeds. Starting to get there. Give him a stir. Oh, it's looking lovely. I've not seen the sun for a while. He's been hiding away, but he's finally come out. You beauty. Let's give him another stir. I've got the trangia simmering away gently, just so he doesn't burn underneath. I hope he's in focus there, so I think we're done. Beautiful job. That's plenty good enough. Right, let's take him off there. Lovely job. I'm going to pull him out without burning my hands. I've still not seen much in the way of birds. Ooh, that's gone beautifully well. Absolutely lovely. Starting to burn my hands though. I'll let that cool down a bit. Oh, where are we? There we are. Lovely job. There's a chap on YouTube. He's called the English Woodsman. You've probably seen some of his videos, but if you haven't, I'd just like to say fair play to the English Woodsman. When the weather's been absolutely dreadful, he's been out there getting soaking wet. I've noticed a lot of his videos are like, you know, 10 hours in a tent and it's raining. But fair play to him anyway, getting out and just experiencing the bad weather. So fair play to you, English Woodsman. I've seen a few YouTubers and they go out in what they call permission land, where they're in touch with a local farmer and they get a chance to use the woodland. I'm very jealous of that. It's something I haven't got. That's why I go to places like this. Oh, turned out all right, didn't it? The beauty of taking something like this out is that when you've finished, you can just put the lid on and do the washing up when you get home. Well, I've been super pleased with my little tray. It's really good. Oh, I found my meat that I dropped earlier. Tempted. No, I better leave it there. I've seen a few YouTubers use these little trays and I've always wanted one, so I finally got my hands on one. It's actually a fish specimen tray, believe it or not. Well, the sun's gone in, but I've had a nice few hours out. I've not seen any birds, but that's the way it goes, I guess. Thanks for watching, everybody. InfoShed out.